Welcome back. Hey, on October the 29th, America Works of New York, they're going to be holding a Ticket to Work. This is important, a Ticket to Work open house event with potential jobs for people in our community with disabilities. And we have all the details right here. We have the public affairs person, Matthew Silverstein, and Ticket to Work representative, Liam Alves. Welcome to the show, guy.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us.
We were talking off mic about some of the wonderful things that you guys are doing. People with disabilities, they're looking for work like everybody else, and they want to be recognized as people who are just like everybody else, and they need those same services that everybody else is getting. How are you guys providing that?
Yeah, so we run Ticket to Work. It's a program sponsored by the U.S. Social Security Administration. So for anyone who's between the ages of 18 and 64, who's receiving either SSI or SSDI, can go back to work. And Social Security has contracted agencies like us. We're one of the largest programs nationwide. We have 20 plus locations around the country. We have 5 offices here in New York City. We're here to help people find jobs and get them back into the workplace. Yep. And Liam actually runs our office here in the Bronx?
Yes, we are located at actually a historic building, the banknote building.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful over there.
I'm familiar with it, yeah. There's a school in that building also.
Oh, yeah. It's a culinary school, I think,
Wildcat Academy, I think it is.
Yes.
And they have culinary arts and all that.
Exactly,
We built a radio station in that building, too.
Oh, really?
So, who reaches out to you? And how do they get this information? And do you have an outreach program?
We do, yes. So basically people who, if you're disabled and if you contact your local field office at Social Security, they give you a listing of agencies around the country. We're one of the more unique programs because we believe in actually having physical sites in different cities. A lot of our competitors have virtual programs, and then because we start with the letter A, people usually call us. We have a call center that's based in our Manhattan office, and then
I go out into the community too as well, and then kind of do, kind of spiels to the whole, groups of
Do you go
people.
to hospitals, community centers, or?
Yeah, all things like that. Any place that we think that we would have clients that would, a bunch of people that would kind of fit that demographic, and that we could definitely, help out.
Oh, great. What kind of jobs are we talking about?
So it's everything from
A to Z.
From A to Z, from entry level all the way up. It could be retail, it could be security, it could be medical, like home health aides and nurses.
Or I guess what I do is if someone tells me I want this specific job, I will, look and see what I can find and then act as a liaison between the companies that are going to hire them and then them, the client.
Who are the companies that are supporting you?
So it's everything from small mom and pop shops to national chains. I mean, like for example, we have a partnership nationwide with CVS, and they're actually training CVS. They actually train people to become pharmacy technicians.
Oh, CVS, right?
CVS, yeah, which is actually one of the big. That's a huge position, and it can lead to becoming an actual pharmacist. We also partner with Allied Universal to teach people to become security guards. And then it's also, like the small mom and pop shops, if there's a local business, like a restaurant, or if it's like a cleaners, or if it's even if it's like a doctor's office and you need like a secretary.
Yeah, it's you guys are money bag people.
Yeah.
Sure. Never looked at it that way, right? But it's great, people are always looking for jobs, and you guys have jobs to provide, or you can make the connection, the liaison.
And they also try to I feel like a lot of our client base want to find something a little bit more substantial because, everyone kind of needs money, especially in New York City. It's very expensive to live here, so we're all, it helps them out. And I like that I can see a direct, impact that I make to, do that for them.
And this has been going on for some time now, right? How long has it been in existence?
So we've been in business for over 35 years, but Ticket to Work, we've been doing this since 2008. And I always tell people, Ticket to Work is the greatest federal employment program that no one knows exists because Social Security doesn't do a great job at getting the word out there. Yeah. Which is why we're here. We're trying to let everyone know that this program is here. It's free. We're here to help. We tell people just come down, give us a try. If you don't like it, it's not mandatory. It's a voluntary program. And we're here to help, and we got plenty of jobs, more jobs than we have people.
Plenty of jobs. All right. So, are you reaching out to other companies to help out with this? Do you
Yeah,
need other companies to jump on board?
we're always looking at employers who are willing to partner with us. I know this past year, here in the Bronx, I mean, like the Bronx Zoo is always calling us in the springtime. But if there's a company who's coming into the Bronx or is here in the Bronx now and wants to find people, they can call us and we're happy to help.
I'm going to give you
sure.
one of my cameras here. Which one could I use? Use one of the cameras right here. Ask for what you need.
All right. Well, I think we need clients that are receiving either SSI or SSDI, ages 18 to 64. If you're looking for a job, definitely come to us. We can help you out. We help with resumes from the ground up. If you're afraid of gaps in work history, we help all of that out.
Yeah.
So for sure.
Yeah, and if people are interested, they can call us at 855-268-1935 or go to our website, which is americaworks.com/ticket to work.
Any success stories?
Oh,
Yes.
They
tons,
come back,
tons,
they
tons.
help out the company.
Yeah, we actually have
You
people-
guys can hire somebody in what you're doing, right?
Yeah, I actually had an individual. His name was Clayton, and he was working with us. He was actually someone who was coming out of prison, and we got him a job in a supermarket. And not only did he became the manager of the department, he started hiring other clients of ours to work for him. So
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's great. Well, thank you guys so much. Where can we go for more information on this?
yeah, so again, it's americaworks.com/ticket to work, or they can call us, which is 855-268-1935.
We love
Or
you guys.
stop on by and walk in, and we can certainly
Just
help
walk
there
on
too.
in.
That's
Yeah,
true.
There
I think
you
it's 1231 Lafayette Avenue
Third
in
floor.
the Bronx.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you guys for your service. You're doing
Thank you.
tremendous work in our community.
course.
We need you guys.
Thank you
We're
for
happy
having
to
us.
help.
Give them a big hand, everybody. Matthew Silverstein, sorry about that, Director of Public Affairs, America Works of New York Incorporated, and Liam Alves, Ticket to Work representative of Bronx Office. Thank you guys so much, and thank you for all that you do. We'll take a break right here. We'll be back with more next.